NASA just found something on Mars that scientists genuinely cannot fully explain, and they're calling them spiders. Not metaphorically, not poetically. Scientists at the European Space Agency literally named these formations spiders because nothing else comes close to describing what they look like. Dark, sprawling, multi-legged shapes stretching across the Martian surface, some reaching up to 1 kilometer wide. And here's what makes this deeply unsettling. They appear every single Martian spring, then vanish, then return again. Like clockwork, like something alive. But wait, before your imagination runs wild, the explanation science currently offers is somehow even more fascinating than aliens. Mars has seasons, just like Earth. During winter, carbon dioxide gas freezes onto the southern polar region, building up a layer of dry ice. Now here's where it gets mind-bending. When Martian spring arrives and sunlight penetrates that translucent ice layer, the ground underneath heats up rapidly. The trapped carbon dioxide converts directly from solid to gas, a process called sublimation, building enormous pressure underneath. That pressure eventually explodes upward, cracking through the ice and shooting dark material, dust, sand, debris, hundreds of meters into the thin Martian atmosphere. That ejected material then falls back down, scattered by wind into those distinctive spider leg patterns we see from orbit. This phenomenon was first captured by the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, and in 2024, the European Space Agency's Mars Express mission released stunning updated imagery confirming these structures are actively recurring and widespread across the South Polar region. Here's the controversy that most channels won't tell you. Some planetary scientists argue the current explanation is incomplete. The sheer precision and repeating geometry of certain formations doesn't perfectly align with random gas explosions. A small but credible group of researchers believes subsurface geological activity may also be contributing, meaning Mars might be more internally active than we officially acknowledge. That debate is still open. What nobody disputes is this. These spiders represent a completely alien geological process that has no equivalent anywhere on Earth. Nothing on our planet works this way. No eruption, no erosion, no weather pattern produces this result. Mars is operating by rules we are still learning to read. And that is the part that should genuinely excite you. We have a neighbor planet actively reshaping itself every single year, displaying behavior so strange we named it after creatures from our own world just to make sense of it. We are living in the greatest era of planetary discovery in human history, and most people are completely unaware of what's being found. If we stop being curious, we stop being human. Follow this page right now, because if you scroll away, you will never find content this deep again, and I mean that. Now tell me this. If Mars has active seasonal geological processes happening repeatedly every year, does that genuinely change how you think about the possibility of life existing there, even microbially?